Hello and welcome to D.Buzz, your microblog built on the Hive blockchain. Today we're coming at you with a new product update. In this product update, we are talking about embedding video and media from across the ecosystem that's out there of social media. We are committed to making D.Buzz a one-stop source for viewing and sharing and connecting across many different platforms. So today, let's take a look at some of the new integrations you can perform right now. First up on the block, who here uses Vimeo? I sure do. It's a great platform for streaming video. Now you can embed that directly in a buzz as well. To get going, just start a new buzz, and we'll make a quick demonstration here. If you go to Vimeo, and you have a video that you like to play, take that video, copy the URL, bring it over to D.Buzz, drop that in, and you'll see in the live preview, the video is up, and it is all playable from within. It's all playable from within D.Buzz natively. That is pretty awesome. Let's remove that, move along to the next one. Another integration we have is now with YouTube. Here's another YouTube video that is from crypto. Again, I'm just gonna copy the URL of that video, come back to D.Buzz, drop it in, and you'll see a live preview that happens down below. Once again, this is now playable from within D.Buzz. Let's scroll up and let's add a new one in. Another site we're doing is also BitChute. BitChute is another great platform for embedding videos from. Here we have a great crypto browser video. Here we have a great video as well. I'm gonna once again come up here and copy this URL. Drop that URL in, and you'll see that the video has been embedded directly. And one-click play. You can now play BitChute videos natively as well within D.Buzz. We've also worked on integrating Twitter. Once again, now if you go to Twitter and you find a tweet that you like, just copy that URL, come on back to D.Buzz, drop that in a buzz, and you'll see down the preview, once again, that a preview of that full buzz will pop up and everything in there will be linked nicely. Scrolling back up, I'm going to remove that, and one more we got for you. We've also integrated with Facebook. That's correct. If you come to your Facebook, you'll be able to see if there's a video there that you want to embed. That's great. Copy that video URL, come back to D.Buzz, drop that URL into a buzz, and natively you'll see a preview of that video come up and has one-click play on it, allowing you to stream videos live from multiple different sources around the social media ecosphere. For those who follow us, you will know that it's a high priority that we want to make D.Buzz a one-stop source for all your streaming and media connection, that you'll be able to embed videos from across many different web pages so that people can come and view your site and see the media that you want to share on the platform you want to share it from. Some of the other upcoming integrations we're adding very soon would be from SoundCloud to stream music, Odysee, TikTok videos, which would be super cool to see. Personally, I love those dance videos. And of course, we're going to start embedding videos from DTube as well. This is going to keep increasing what you can use D.Buzz for, and we hope you will make it your home on the Web 3.0. Thanks for watching today, everybody, and we hope to see you back here real soon with some new exciting product updates. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye-bye.